Ooh, that's fast. That's fast. That's fast. Hey, what's up, everybody? Sami here. So this is the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3. This video is just going to be very simple and quick unboxing. For the detailed review, I will just do that tomorrow. So you can leave what you want to know about this phone, like the camera, the battery, the performance, everything. I've been daily driving the Oppo Find N2 for the last half year. So I got a lot to say about this kind of foldable. So I'm sure you are going to learn some real shit from my video. But anyway, this video is going to be a quick unboxing. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Oh, all right. This is the brand new Mix Fold 3. Okay, I can see the case. A little bit obvious, for sure. This is a MIUI 14. So, 可以了吗？让我体验一下，拍一些细节。I'm not gonna do a detailed review about it. Just my first hands on. Wow, it's really lightweight. Really lightweight. I like it. And the camera is said it has the 5x optical zoom, so should give it really nice photo. And the back, Kevlar material, super durable, can even withstand a bullet. At least what they said in the event. Okay, Leica. Woo! Okay. Video. Wow, seems nice. Let me just take a quick photo. Ooh, that's fast. That's fast. That's fast. That's fast. Wow, I like the sound. Okay, that's great, but we'll just leave it to tomorrow because there are lots of people. Shit. All right, that's the phone. We'll get to that, tomorrow. Everything, what do you want to know? Just let me know. All right, under that we have other things like 67 watts charger, a Type-C cable, and also some pin. Also a phone case, just like, whoa, it's like, yeah, so that's the phone case, some paperwork. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's the unboxing for the Mix Fold.